do you know what we should do? What? We should use this rocket launcher. Rocket launcher? Yeah. Why? So we can have it. Oh no, Piggy. We can't have it. Well, why not? Because the rocket launcher's dangerous. The rocket launcher's dangerous? Yeah, it's not dangerous. Well, that's what I said. We're not getting this rocket launcher, and that's final. Well, well, well.
Hey, can I help you kids?
Yeah. What? How much for this? Rocket launcher?
Oh, let me check here. Oh yeah, it costs $1,000.
$1,000?
Yeah.
What? Did you say $1,000?
Yes, kid, that's what I said.
Does that mean we're not having a rocket launcher?
No, you can't have this rocket launcher. It's very dangerous. It's a very bad idea for you kids.
Well, oh, come on, Snoopy, let's go. Oh, man.
Okay, where was I?
Bleh.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Sorry, I came here. I just came here.
Oh, you just came here?
Yup, I sure did. Sure did.
Okay, well, how can I help you then?
I want this, rocket launcher.
Well, do you have any $1,000?
Well, yes, I do.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
How?
Oh, I got this money from the bank, sir.
Okay, well, here's your rocket launcher.
Thanks.
Have a good day, kid.